Runaway baby videos are going viral across social media, and one YouTube channel has gained over 43,000 subscribers in just a month by riding this trend on Instagram. Similar pages are racking up millions of views. The best part, they're likely earning between $7,000 and $10,000 a month by selling digital products through these videos. So how can you create viral-worthy baby videos using AI for free? Stick with me, because by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to make it happen in 4 simple steps. Let's make your baby runway videos unique, perfect for grabbing views and subscribers. Be sure to watch till the end. Step 1. Generating the image prompt. Open ChatGPT and copy the image prompt provided in the video description. Paste it in, then ask ChatGPT to generate 5 more prompts like this one. In just seconds, you'll have a variety of prompts ready to go. Step 2. Generating the images. Now that we have our prompts, it's time to create some high-quality images. I recommend using Leonardo AI, which generates stunning, hyper-realistic images. Sign in with Google or email, and you'll get 150 free tokens daily. Select the lifelike vision preset for that lifelike touch. Set the ratio to 9:6 for Instagram Reels or TikTok. Paste your image prompt and hit generate. In seconds, you'll get 4 adorable images to choose from, making it easy to download and repeat for a full set of cute baby models. If this has been helpful so far, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Step 3. Converting images into videos. Now that we have our images, it's time to make them into videos. We'll use Halo AI, also known as Minimax. New users get 3 days of unlimited access, so you can create as many videos as you'd like. Head over to Minimax, sign up, upload one of the baby images, and reuse the description from step 1. Just copy the first sentence of the prompt and hit generate. Repeat this with all your images to create a full set of baby runway videos. You can even queue up to 3 videos at once for a faster process. Step 4. Editing with CapCut. Now let's fine-tune everything and make your videos even better. Open CapCut on your desktop or mobile and import all the videos you've created. Add a trending background music track, adjust the video ratio to 9:16 for Instagram Reels or TikTok, and crop out any watermarks. Want to get more creative? Try adding animations or smooth transitions between clips. A quick tip, slow down the video slightly for a calming, cute vibe. Once that's done, your video is ready to go viral. And there you have it. In just 4 simple steps, you now know how to create viral baby runway videos using AI, completely free. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you've tried these tools or have other cool tips, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.